Alright, now we're going to talk about subtracting integers. And with subtracting integers, I like to use this little acronym called KCC. And what KCC stands for is keep, change, change. So anytime you're working with subtraction, you're going to follow that acronym, keep, change, change. So let's say we have negative 5 minus 3. So we're going to keep that first number, whatever it is, as negative 5. It just stays the same. We're going to change our subtraction to addition, and we're going to change 3 to its opposite. So we're going to change it to negative 3. Now we have an addition problem of negative 5 plus negative 3, and we just follow our integer rules, or our addition rules for that, which are integer rules. So negative 5 plus negative 3, same signs, I'm just going to add. 5 plus 3 is 8, and then keep the sign, so negative 8. So negative 5 minus 3 would equal negative 8. So let's look at another one. Let's say we have 4 minus negative 2. So again, we're going to do keep, change, change. Keep 4, change subtraction to addition, and change your negative 2 to its opposite, which is positive 2. So now I just have 4 plus 2, same signs, I'm going to add, so it's 6. So 4 plus 2 is 6. Both of them are positive, so that makes our 6 positive. So we're going to keep that acronym there, KCC. Stands for keep, change, change. And now we got 3 minus negative 8. So I'm going to keep 3 the same. Change our subtraction to addition and change 8 to its opposite. Well, the opposite of 8 would be negative 8. So now I have 3 plus negative 8. So now I follow my addition rules. Different signs I'm going to subtract. 8 minus 3 is 5. And 8 has a greater absolute value. And 8 is negative, so that means my answer is negative. So my answer there is negative 5. So 3 minus 8 would be negative 5. Let's do a couple more. So let's say we have negative 52 minus negative 64. So again, we're going to do keep, change, change. Keep the negative 52. Change subtraction to addition, and change our negative 64 to a positive 64. So now I have negative 52 plus a positive 64. So different signs I'm going to subtract. So 64 minus 52 is going to give me 12. And 64 has a greater absolute value than 52. And the 64 is positive, so that makes 12 positive. Alright, so let's do a word problem. So I started the day with $18, and by the end of the day, I owe 13. How much money did I spend? So I start with 18, which is positive. I now owe 13. So that's a negative 13. Well, if I was just to add those, I would have only spent $5. Well, that can't be true because I started with 18 and now I owe money. So I need something more. I need to do something other than addition. So this is actually a subtraction problem. So I have 18 minus a negative 13. So again, we're going to do KCC, keep, change, change. So I'm going to keep that 18, change my subtraction to addition, change that 13 to a positive. So now I have 18 plus 13, which is going to give me 31. So I spent $31 that day. So I started with 18, I spent 31, and now I owe $13.